Fujucate Nutrition Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think they are eating healthy until they scan their food labels. You won't believe what happens next when you see what is really inside your groceries. Fujucate is a nutrition and food tracking app that helps users understand what they are eating and make better choices. Instead of just counting calories, Fujucate analyzes ingredients and gives foods a simple grade. When you scan a barcode, Fujucate rates the product based on nutrition, additives, sugar content, and ingredient quality. It also suggests healthier alternatives so you can upgrade your diet instantly. The surprising truth about food marketing is that many healthy products are filled with hidden sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives. Fujucate helps uncover these hidden ingredients in seconds. Fujucate also includes meal tracking, weight goals, community support, and educational tips that make long-term lifestyle changes easier. If you want to lose weight, manage diabetes, or simply eat cleaner, Fujucate can be a powerful daily companion. Subscribe now for more honest health and fitness app reviews.